Before we dive in, I want to remind you, if you're enjoying videos like this and want to learn more about protecting your car and becoming a smarter driver, make sure you hit that subscribe button to Gear Specs. Not only will it help us keep making videos like this, but it also helps me pay my college fees and keeps this channel alive against all the negativity out there. So if you find even one useful tip today, subscribing would mean the world. Here's the truth. Most drivers waste money, ruin their cars, and even put themselves in danger, all because they don't know these simple driving hacks. But the difference between an average driver and a pro often comes down to small, clever tricks that nobody tells you about. Today, I'll share 20 driving hacks that can save you time, fuel, and thousands in repairs, and I promise by the end of this video, you'll drive differently. Hack number 1, the penny in the tire hack. Want to know if your tires are unsafe? Grab a penny and insert it into the tread with Lincoln's head down. If you can see the top of his head, your tread is dangerously low. This tiny trick can save you from a blowout at high speed. Hack number 2, reverse into parking spaces. Pro drivers always reverse into spots. Why? Because pulling out is safer and faster, especially in emergencies. It also keeps your gearbox and clutch under less strain. Hack number 3, the AC and window hack. Here's a money saver. Don't blast your AC immediately on a hot day. Roll down your windows for 30 seconds first to let hot air escape, then switch on AC. It cools faster and reduces strain on the compressor. Hack number 4, use your handbrake every time. Even if you're driving an automatic, use the handbrake when parked. It relieves pressure from the transmission and prevents costly repairs later. Hack number 5, adjust mirrors to eliminate blind spots. Most people set mirrors wrong. Angle them just enough so you can't see your own car. This expands your field of view and nearly eliminates blind spots. Hack number 6, the quarter tank rule. Never let your fuel drop below a quarter tank. It prevents debris from the bottom of your tank clogging your fuel pump and saves you from unexpected breakdowns. Hack number 7, flash your brake lights to warn drivers. If traffic suddenly slows, quickly tap your brakes a few times to flash your lights. It warns the car behind you and can prevent rear-end collisions. Hack number 8, turn wheels toward the curb on hills. If you're parked on an incline, always turn your wheels toward the curb. It's a basic hack, but honestly, a lot of people forget, and it can save your car from rolling downhill. Hack number 9, the 2-second rule. Professional drivers never tailgate. Always keep a 2-second gap between you and the car ahead. In bad weather, increase it to 4. Hack number 10, use your sun visor sideways. Did you know your sun visor can swing to the side? It's a simple hack, but it blocks blinding sunlight coming through your window, keeping you safer on the road. Hack number 11, steering wheel at 9 and 3. Forget the old 10 and 2. Modern airbags make 9 and 3 the safest grip, giving you maximum control and reducing injury risk if airbags deploy. Hack number 12, use cruise control to save gas. On highways, cruise control maintains steady speed and improves fuel efficiency. It also reduces wear on your right foot. Hack number 13, parking near big stores. Here's a pro move: park near a store entrance, not under trees. Tree sap and bird droppings can ruin paint, and detailing costs aren't cheap. Hack number 14, the defensive driving hack. Always assume other drivers will make mistakes. This mindset helps you react faster and avoid accidents. Hack number 15, clean wipers with vinegar. Streaky windshield, clean wiper blades with a cloth and vinegar. It restores rubber grip and improves visibility. Hack number 16, use left foot only for clutch if you drive a manual. Resting your foot on the clutch wears it out fast. Keep that foot on the floor when not shifting. Hack number 17, don't ride the brakes downhill. Instead, shift to a lower gear. It saves your brake pads and gives you more control. Hack number 18, keep an emergency kit. Pro drivers always carry jumper cables, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. You never know when you'll need it. Hack number 19, fill up gas early morning. Fuel is denser in cooler temperatures. Filling up early gives you slightly more fuel for the same money. Hack number 20, stay calm, drive smooth. The ultimate hack, smooth driving. No hard braking, no aggressive acceleration. It saves fuel, reduces wear, and makes you a safer driver. And there you have it, 20 driving hacks that turn an average driver into a pro. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found even one hack useful, do me a favor, subscribe to Gear Specs. It not only helps this channel grow, but it also helps me continue making content while paying my college fees. Together, we can build a smarter community of drivers. Thanks for watching and drive